Hello and welcome to HistoryPod. On the 27th of September 1908, the first Model T Ford automobile rolled out of the factory in Detroit. Although some sources claim that the first Model T was built 4 days later on the 1st of October, research has shown that this was the date on which the new model was made available for delivery. The new Model T wasn't the first automobile to be produced by the Ford company, but it was significant for being the first one that was widely affordable. While the low cost was ultimately achieved thanks to an innovative assembly line process, the first models were built and assembled largely by hand in a more traditional way. Consequently, only 11 cars were completed in the first month of production. Ford's development of the assembly line used the concept of the division of labour to split the construction of the car into 84 distinct phases. This meant that the knowledge and skills a worker had to master was reduced. Conveyor belts moved the vehicle from labourer to labourer who would perform his or her specialism before the car then moved on to the next. As the assembly line was refined, a new Model T rolled off the line every 3 minutes. This speed of construction was so quick that the paint barely had time to dry. It was for this reason that Ford only painted the car in Japan black, as it was the only coating that dried quickly enough. The Model T was enormously successful, and at one point half of all automobiles on the road were not just Ford cars, but Model Ts. Even as other companies began competing, the Model T continued to be produced in enormous numbers. Production was only halted in 1927, 19 years after the first one rolled out of the factory.